Yes, what's up mga kabowlers? Once again, muy buenas agabibientes de Ciudad de Zamboanga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. This is once again your host, Commissioner DJ Thompson. I brings you once again the live coverage of the big fundamental basketball under 11 and 13 grassroots league here at ICAS Calarian Gymnasium. The BFB would like to thank our major sponsors, Colonel Ariel Crubin, the Area Reserve Basketball League, the Zamboanga Valientes, Lysol, the Exclusive Shop, GCIS, the Converts of PowerX, the official internet provider. The BFP would like also to thank mga kabowlers watching live on our BFP page. And of course, we would like also to thank mga kabowlers watching live here at ICAS Calarian Gymnasium. Coming your way, another battle for third placer. Played between the AM Corner Sports versus the ICAS team. So mga bisinos, takyatamin kita aura na 13 under, no? Battle for third placer. Ito kaara mo AM Corner Sports kontra con el ICAS team. Akilang sin na ICAS Calarian Gymnasium. Luego, no, el diaton championship game no na 11th and 13 under respectively. Mamaya po yan, ha. Okay, here we go. Once again, you are now watching battle for third placer sa 13 under basketball league. Dito lang po yan, ha, sa ICAS Calarian Gymnasium. First ball possessions will go to ICAS. Kibilan to Garbes. Binalik muli, no, kay Kibilan, the point guard of the ICAS. Pinasa po tayo lalim. Last touch there, no. So first turnover on the part of the ICAS team, no. Bola po ay napunta sa AM Corner Sports. Enriquez right now to Lim. Lim, may tala ng bola. Lim, pinasa po. So there was a foul.
Foul on jersey number 12.
Enriquez doing the baseline inbound for the AM Corner Sports. Pinasa sa gitna. Pero may foul. Ay, sorry. Yes, oo. Tama po ako. May foul po doon. Hindi po narinig ang whistle ng ating referee. So, ay muli, may foul po doon sa ilalim. It was an act of shooting. Wala po yung unang pitro ni Itable. Yes, Malong pitro ay pumasok. Galvez to Kibilan. Kibilan right now with the ball. Kibilan looking for a pass. Pinasa po at the corner. Agawan po ng bola. Muntik na po. Agaw.
And to shoot.
Jersey number 13. Wala po. Si Gampal pala yung jersey number 13 of ICAS. Lim right now. Lim. It was a block set by Gampal. Kibilan right now ang may tala ng bola. Kibilan to Gampal. Gampal. Wala po. Enriquez to number 30. Overshoot that time. Si Taba Verde, no? Taba Verde po ang jersey number 30 of AM Corner Sports. ICAS Garbes from 3 points line. Wala po. Ball stays with the ICAS. Yes! This time, pasok po ang unang 3 points ng ICAS. That is courtesy of number 27, si Asgali po yon.
Number 2.
The father of Asgali is a friend of mine. Kibilan right now with the ball. Kibilan to Garbes. Binalik kay Kibilan. Kibilan
10 to shoot.
to Asgali. Asgali to number 4.
5. Offensive foul on jersey number 12.
Ball will go to AM Corner Sports. Enriquez may tala ng bola. Yes, basketball 2. Kibilan to Asgali. Binalik muli kay Kibilan. Kibilan to Asgali. Asgali for 3. Wala po this time. Gampal. Wala din po. Ball will go to ICAS team. Enriquez. Yes, basketball for 2. Or Tabo Verde. Tabo Verde, I'm sorry. Kibilan right now with the ball. Kibilan looking for a pass. Pass to Gampal. Gampal. To Asgali. Asgali to Kibilan. Kibilan. Is he going to take the shot? He pass. Asgali. Binalik muli kay Kibilan. To Asgali for 3. Wala po. Sayang. Nasa loob na po. Niluwa pa. Ball will go to AM Corner Sport. Enriquez right now. May tala ng bola. Enriquez. Kick out pass to Lim for 3. Wala po. Agawan po ng ball. Ball stays with the AM Corner Sports.
10 to shoot.
Hernandez to Enriquez for 3. Wala po. Rebounded by Gampang. Kibilan right now with the ball. May foul po doon kay Enriquez.
Foul on jersey number 11.
Kibilan doing the inbound to Asgali. Asgali to Garbes. Garbes for 3. Wala po. Enriquez to Lim. Lim. Yes sir. Basketball for 2 for Lim. Kibilan. Kibilan to Asgali. Asgali to Garbes again. I'm sorry, Solon.
And to shoot.
Kibilan almost stayed there. Garbes for second time for 3. Wala din po. Follow-up shot by Gampal claiming may foul pero wala po. Bola pa rin po ng AM Corner Sports. Charge timeout for ICAS. Iya pula. Sige lang, lagay lang yung tuma. Lagay lang. Kumilaan. Shoutout po kay Madam Era Rasul, no? Watch out for the upcoming the Era Rasul Basketball League Season 2. Ngayon din ang opening ng Kuya Puloy, the Provinciano Basketball League. Mamaya po yan sa Ayala po. Shoutout sa team ng Baliwasan El Cañonazo. This is your head coach, DJ Tamsilani. And of course, shoutout din sa team ng Tetuan.
Then to shoot. Foul on jersey number 19.
Sorry lang po, once again po, hindi po tayo ma-shoutout sa lahat ng nanonood ng live, no? Ay wala po tayong data. Fernandez. Yes, sir. Galvez to Kibilan. Kibilan to Asagali. Asagali to Solon. Solon to Gampag. Gampag kick out pass. Tinira po ni Galvez. Wala po. Ball we go to AM Corner Sports. Sumobra po ang pass nun ni Enriquez. So may kickball po tayo. Ang bola po ay mapupunta sa AM Corner Sports. Enriquez doing the sideline inbound right now. And Enriquez to jersey number 13, Cabo Verde. Cabo Verde. Binalik muli to Enriquez for 3. Wala po, agawan po ng bola. Let's see kung saan punta. Ang bola po, naku po, muntik na naagaw ni Enriquez, but ball stays with the ICAS. Kibilan to Ascali. Ascali, binalik muli kay Kibilan, the designated point guard of ICAS. Kibilan to Ascali. Ascali to Solon. Solon right now. Kick out pass to Ascali. Ascali for 3. Kapos po. But Gampag was there. Wala po ang tira ni Gampag. Enriquez to Cabo Verde. Yes, sir. And one for Cabo Verde.
Call on jersey number 19.
Let's see if he can complete the 3 points. Wala lang po. Hindi lang na-kompleto. Ball stays with the AM Corner Sport. Enriquez right now doing the baseline inbound to Cabo Verde. Cabo Verde. I'm sorry. Jersey number 35. Naagaw po. Kibilan right now with the ball to Galvez. Galvez ang may tala ng bola. Galvez pa rin. Galvez right now to Kibilan. Kibilan. Pinasa po sa corner. Naku po, may block shot doon, no?
10 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot.
Kibilan to Galvez, muntik na po. Naku po, naagaw tuloy. Jersey number 35 to Lim.
Go for 2.
Yes, a basketball 2. Jersey number 35, si Itable pala yun, no? Nakalimutan ko tuloy. Itable. jersey 35. Asgali with the ball to Gampal, shaking and shaking, wala po. Enriquez, may tala ng bola. Enriquez with the ball right now, Enriquez to Lim, agawan po ng bola. Bola stays with the AN corner spot. Enriquez taking shot, yes sir! Basketball for 2 for Enriquez. Kibilan right now with the ball. Kibilan to Asgali. May offensive po. Foul, no?
Offensive foul on jersey number 27.
On jersey number 27. Kay Asgali po yan, ha? Enriquez, binubulabog ni Kibilan to Lim. Lim taking the shot. Wala po, agawan po ng bola. Jump ball, tingnan natin where that's the arrow goes. It goes to Ika's team. A slow scoring ball game right now. 6-3. Kibilan with the ball right now to Asgali. Dinalik muli kay Kibilan to Garbes for 3. Wala po, walang natama doon. Enriquez right now with the ball. Enriquez to Lim. Lim. Wala po. Rebound by Gampal. Bola pa rin po ng Icas. Charge timeout for AM Corner Sports. Once again, we would like to thank our major sponsors, Kerner Ariel Kerubin, the Era Rasul Basketball League, the Zamboanga Valientes, Lysol, the Exclusive Shop, the GCIS, the Converge Power X, the official internet provider. Mamaya po, please watch the Champions game for the 11th and 13th under Grassroots League of the BFP. Mamaya na po at the 1 o'clock for 11th under and 13th under 2:30 p.m. Garbes right now with the ball. Garbes, binubulabog ni Enriquez. Stepping down, sabi ng referee. So a good D applied by Enriquez the time. Enriquez with the ball right now. Enriquez.
2 seconds.
Enriquez po may talo ng bola. Enriquez, naku po. Muntik na nakaw pero Enriquez recovered to Lim. Lim. Agawan po ng bola. Ball will go to Gampal. Passes to Asgali. Asgali taking the shot. Wala po. It was an overshoot. Agawan po ng bola. Ball will go to Kibilan. Kibilan, tinasa po sa lalim. Intended for Gampal, pero wala po. Fernandez. Sumobra po ang pass niya. Ball will go to Ika's team.
Seconds. 10.
Kibilan pa rin po. Nasa Asgali.
3 seconds.
Malakas po ang pasa nun ni Kibilan. Enriquez. Lim for 3. Wala po. That end our first quarter of the ball game. Back to the ball game. We are now entering the second quarter of the ball game. Bola po ngayon ng AM Corner Sports. With the jersey number 27, De Los Reyes doing the inbound. Wala po. Another set of players for the ICAS. Auza with the ball right now. Muntik na nagaw po. Pinasa sa lalim to Itable and one for Itable. Hindi lang po na kompleto. It was a steal. Auza. It was a counter steal by jersey number 9, Balaji. I'm sorry, Cañedo pala yun, ha? Sorry. Auza with the ball right now. Tinira kapos po ang tira nun ni Auza. Number 3, kinaliwa pa. Ball stays with the ICAS. Dalawa po ang Balaji dyan, ha? Number 10 and number 3 sa ICAS. It was a steal by Itable. Yes, sir. Basket for 2, Itable. Bola po ngayon ng ICAS. Balaji po. May tara ng bola. I'm sorry. Sapanta. Overshoot that time by Itable. Bola ay mapunta mapupunta rather sa ICAS team. Balaji recovered, yes sir. Malaking mama din to, no? Si Balaji, a big guy on the part of ICAS. Auza nagmamadali po. Traveling.
Violation.
Jersey number 23. May foul po doon.
Foul on jersey number 31.
Yes, sir. Auza. Naku po. Passes to Longman. Jersey number 29. Pero it was stolen. Jersey number 27, De Los Reyes. Wala po. Sapanta. Yes, sir. Jersey number 29. It was stopped by Zapanta. Ball will go to AM Corner Sports. Ausa. Muntik na. Maagaw po. Another charge timeout for ICAS. Ausa for 3, yes sir! May foul po doon.
Foul on jersey number 31, second foul.
Canyedo doing the inbound. Naku po, it was counter steal by jersey number 29 to Balaji all alone. Yes sir, basketball 2 for Balaji. Itable to Zapanta. Wala po. Ball will go to ICAS. Canyedo right now with the ball. With jersey number 29. Binalik muli to Canyedo for 3. Wala po. Zapanta. It was stolen by Canyedo to Balaji. Yes sir. Ang ganda ng pass nun. Ay, good communications on the part of jersey number 10 si Balaji at saka si Canyedo. Ausa for 3. Naku po, it was a block shot by number 3 si Balaji. Balaji, wala po, bola pa rin po nila. Canyedo, yes sir. Itable right now with the ball. Itable taking the shot. Wala po, sumobra po ang shot nun. Balaji to jersey number 29. Balaji, the biggest guy on the court right now. Nakabingwit po ng foul sa ilalim. Charge timeout for AM Corner Sports. Ganyan, ganyan. Hindi po pumasok ang unang free throw ni Balaji. Let's see for his second free throw. If you're gonna in or out, tingnan natin. Wala rin po. Ball will go to AM Corner Sports. Itable! Yes sir! And one for Itable. Galing ng bata to. Mamaw din to ha.
Basket count, foul on jersey number 10.
Let's see if he can complete the 3 points or Itable. Wala po, hindi lang na-kompleto po ang 3 points. Ball will go to Icas. Yes, sir! Ball will go to Icas. Balaji. Ausa. The smallest guy on the court. Ausa, pinasa to Sapanta. Sapanta taking the shot. Yes, sir! Cañedo with the ball right now. The designated point guard of Icas. Cañedo pa rin po, looking for a pass. Cañedo taking the shot for 3. Wala po. Balaji. Yes, sir. Iba na talaga pag malaking mama ko. Ausa, may tala ng bola to jersey number 31. May foul po doon. Once again, you are now watching the 13th under for the third placer. Mamaya po ang championship game natin for 11th and 13th under po. Dito lang yan sa Icas Calerian Gymnasium. Cañedo with the ball right now. Pinasa to jersey number 29 to Balaji. Sorry, jersey number 23 pala yun. Yes. Nakarami-rami na rin, no? Ang puntos ni Itable from the part of the AM Corner Sports.
Foul on jersey number 35. First foul.
Agawan po ng bola. Balaji. It was stolen. Ball will go to AM Corner Sport de los Reyes. Muntik na ako. Ausa. Pinasa po sa lalim. Basketball 2 for Itable. Cañedo. May tala ng bola. Cañedo to jersey number 29. Binalik muli to Cañedo pero it was a turnover po. Sumobra po ang passing noon. Ball will go to AM Corner Sports. Ausa with the ball right now. Looking for a pass. Ausa pa rin po. Almost still there. Ausa for 3. Wala po. Agawan po ng bola. Ball will go to Cañedo. Cañedo. Pinasa sa lalim. It was sumobra po ang pass nun. So, ball will go to AM Corner Sports. Outside to Itable. Itable looking for a pass. Binalik muli kay Ausa. Ausa taking the shot. Wala po. Sapanta. Yes, sir. Malaking mama to si Sapanto. At saka marunong din sa ilalim. Jersey number 23 to 29 to Balaji. Naku po. Hindi nahawakan mabuti ni Balaji that time. It was a turnover on the part of Icas team. Ball will go to AM Corner Sports. Itable with the ball right now. Itable. Pinasa to kay Sapanta. Pull up jam. Wala po. Cañedo may tala ng bola. Cañedo pa rin.
30.
Taking the shot. Wala po. Seconds to play na lang po tayo.
10 to shoot.
Wala rin po. Agawan po ng bola. Balaji. Wala din. Bola pa rin po na Icas. Balaji for second time round. Yes, sir.
10 seconds.
Pausa. Seconds to play na lang po. Itable. Itable, peking and taking the shot. Wala po. That end our second quarter of the ball game. Ang score po natin, 35-21 in favor for the AM Corner Sports. Yes, sir. PM. Ano yaman? PM coach. Sinilo din natin 0997 coach. Kaba 790. Kaba 3286. 3286. Yan expired din natin coach. Back to the ball game. Kibilan to jersey number 29 of Icas. Taking the shot. Wala po. Agawan po ng bola. Ball will go to Jumbo po. Ball will go to AM Corner Sports. Binalik muli si Enriquez to Ausa. Ausa with the ball right now. Passes to the corner. Olim. Wala po. Agawan po ng bola. Ball will go to Icas team. Asgali. Enriquez now with the ball to Ausa. Oh, muntik na. Gampal rebounded. Asgali. May tala ng bola. Asgala pa rin binublabog ni Ausa. Asgali passes to Gampal. Taking the shot. Wala po. Kapos po ang tira nun ni Gampal. Ball will go to AM Corner Sports. Fernandez. Wala po. It was an overshoot. Jersey number 29. Nagmamadali po on the part of the Icas. Same goal pa rin tayo. Ball stays with the Icas team.
Thank you, Era Rasul, for sponsoring our trophy.
Yes, maraming salamat po, no? For sponsoring the trophy. Ang Era Rasul po, Basketball League, no? Maraming salamat po. Madam Era, maganda po yung trophy, oh. So nakita po natin, no, sa live stream, no, ang trophy po natin. Yan ang sinasabi natin. It is a simple, no? Pero keep it simple. Simple pero a very cute one. Kibilan with the ball right now. Kibilan nagmamadali po. Is he taking the shot? So, lifting po. May tawag doon, no? Running score, 35-21. Lamang pa rin po ang AM Corner Sports. Enriquez with the ball right now. Offensive foul ata doon.
Offensive foul on jersey number 11. Third foul.
Ball will go to Icas. Kibilan may tala ng bola. Kibilan looking for a pass. Nasa silalim for Gampal. Shaking and shaking. Tinira po. Wala po. It was rebounded by Lim to Enriquez. Enriquez to Fernandez. Pero it was steal by Gampal. It was counter steal by Enriquez. Ball will go to Icas. Sabi niya last touch doon si Enriquez. Tama na rin po ang tawag doon no, ni referee, si June Passion po yan ha. Our professional referee coming from the SBP. Magaling yan ha. He's a friend of mine, Asgali to Kibilan. Kibilan is he taking the shot. May foul po on his way to the
Foul on
basket.
jersey number 7. First foul. Booker 2.
Yes, basketball 2. Enriquez right now with the ball. Enriquez, is he going to take the shot? Pinasa po. A pull-up jump. Yes, sir. Basketball 2. For jersey number 30. Tabo Verde. Kibilan with the ball right now. Pinasa po. To Asgali. Asgali taking the shot. Yes, sir. Shooter pala to si Asgali, no? Perimeter shooter. Si Asgali po yon. Ausa. Naku po. It was stolen. Kibilan. Ausa with the ball right now. Ausa. To Enriquez. Enriquez may talang bola. Pinasumunoy kay Ausa for 3. Whoa! What a nice shot coming from Ausa. The smallest guy on the court taking the shot. Babawi kaya? Yes, sir! 3 points on the part of Cañedo. Ayaw talaga magpapahuli ang Icas din ha. It was 3 points indeed for Cañedo. Lim right now for 3 again. Whoa! This is a battle for 3 points. Palitan ha. Ay 2 consecutive no 3 points on the part of the Informal Sports. Let's see. For Icas, this time hindi po pumasok ang 3 points ng Icas. Grabe itong laro na to. Ausa, babalikan kaya? Wala po. Walang nataman. That time Asgali with the ball right now. Naku po. Anong tawag doon? May traveling ata. So Asgali po hindi na kayanan po, hindi na control po niya doon. Kaya tuloy. No, it was a turnover on the part of Icas team. Ang tatay po ni Asgali is a friend of mine. Bola po ngayon ng Icas Kibilan. With the ball right now, pinasa to jersey number 29. Yes, sir! What a turnaround shot. Basketball 2. Ali. Enriquez. Itable. Wala po. Cañedo to Kibilan. Kibilan with the ball right now. 3-on-1. Kibilan. Yes, another turnaround shot by Kibilan. This time, basketball 2. Enriquez with the ball right now. Enriquez. Muntik na nakaw po ni Kibilan. Yes, it was steal by Kibilan. Cañedo for the second time of 40. Wala po. Sumobra po ang tiro noon that time for Cañedo. Enriquez to jersey number 30 Tabo Verde to Fernandez. May foul po doon sa lalim. Yes, sorry lang po, hindi po tayo naka-shoutout live, but then, nandito po tayo. Shoutout kay Noah Perez Reyes. Shoutout din kung Referee Philip, yes sir. Si Referee Philip po yan ha, isa po yan faculty member, dito po yan sa ICAS ha. Shoutout din kay Brian Basir, sir, ano pong gamit mo ang application? TM po, TM. Nandito na po yan. Kay Kadong Aming, yes sir. Opo, umuulan po ng crest dito. Cyril Ignacio, shoutout din kay Florida Diot.
Para hindi ano lang.
Ay, sige.
Kasi volume.
10 to shoot. 3 seconds. Violation.
Shoutout kay Damian Taka. Kibilan right now with the ball. Kibilan to Ali, taking the shot for 3. Wala po. Gampa right there. May foul po.
Foul on jersey number 35.
Unang free throw po ni Gampal ay hindi pumasok. Wala rin po. Dalawang free throw. Hindi na ipasok ni Gampal. Ball will go to AM Corner Sports. Running score 43-33. Lamang pa rin po ang AM Corner Sports. Enriquez to Sapanta pero naago po. It was stolen. Kibilan. What a pass from Kibilan to Ali. Ball stays with the ICAS. Kibilan right now doing the baseline inbound. Kibilan to Balaji. Gampal. Yes sir. Dalawang malaking mama, tatlo to include Balaji on the part of ICAS. Malalaki po ang player ngayon ng ICAS team. Naku po, nakatalikod. He is not ready with that pass. Turnover tuloy. So ball will go to ICAS. Kibilan to Ali, binalik muli kay Kibilan. Kibilan may talang bola, pinasa to Asgali. Asgali, binalik muli to Kibilan. Kibilan right now with the ball. To Ali. Ali to Kibilan. Kibilan passes downstairs. Gampal. Yes sir. Itable to Lim. Kapos po ang tiro ni Lim. Pero there was a follow-up shot coming from jersey number 30. Si Tabo Verde po yun ha. Kibilan to Ali. Ali to Asgali. Asgali for 3. Wow, muntik na. Pero bibigyan po yan ha ng 3 shots, no?
Foul on jersey number
Si Asgali
35.
po.
Third foul.
Unang free throw. Wala po. So may dalawa pa po yan ang natitira. Yes, this time may adjustment po on the part of Asgali. Pangatlong free throw ni Asgali. Let's see. Wala po, sayang ha. 1 out of 3 from the free throws. Asgali earlier. Kibilan with the ball right now. Kibilan. Wala po, agawan po ng bola. Ball will go to AN Corner Sports. I-tablet to sa pantay. Yes, sir! Kibilan with the ball right now. Kibilan, ito Ali, ito Asgali. Binalik muli ito, Ali, ito Gampal.
Okay, 9 on the shot clock. 9
Ball
to
stays
shoot.
with Icas
9 to shoot.
with 9 seconds to shoot on the part of Icas. Kibilan to Asgali with the ball right now. Asgali
5.
to Ali. He has to take the shot.
24 shot clock
So
violation.
naabutan po ng
39
24
seconds.
shot clock violation, no, on the part of Icas team. A good defense, no, for AN Corner Sports. Enriquez may tala ng bola. Enriquez pa rin po. Enriquez taking the shot. Yes, sir. Basketball 2 for Enriquez. Ali may talang bola. Ali to Asgali. Binalik muli. No, I'm sorry. To Kibilan taking the shot. Yes, sir.
Number 2. 20.
Shout out kay Huxley
15.
Jope Cosutudio. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce well your name, ha. Shout out din kay Kurt
9
Lama.
seconds.
Our running score right now, 49-40. Namayagpag pa rin ang AM Corner Sports with 9 points.
9 seconds.
Wala po ng AM Corner Sports with 9 seconds. Almost still there. So it was a
6
kick
seconds.
ball. 6 seconds. It was streamed down. 6 seconds. Enriquez to Tabo
Foul
Verde.
on jersey number 27. Second personal foul.
Shout out kay Bobon Lama. This is coming from Buddy Lama. Shout out din kay Ahmed Khairzo Mercader. Tabo Verde. Hindi po mabot. Ali. It was stolen by Lim for 3. Muntik na.
And
So-
third quarter.
That end the third quarter of the ball game. When we come back, the last and final quarter of the ball game. Idol.
Katahong gid sa imo to.
Di, huwag ka mo nagkatod sa may tatoys, no?
Kato eh.
Kato mo? Ay, tuwad. Kaya trabaho yun dyan. Ang
Base
yung
siya
madam.
trabaho bentar na.
Karda na aro ta kita. Physical therapist yung madam.
Titi siya ba
PT. Si second course ya din niya. Yes ba yung akiyo na UMC? Way back 1988. Man medicine. Tormento di amon coach antes L1, LN mat. Tormento aura. Mas kino mat. Pwede kayo sa medicine. Kung makita mo lang tayo niya ng siwa. Lakta. Hindi ka na ay, sorry. Dalo ko. Ay, apun. Hindi, Osman.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Here we are, the fourth and last final of the quarter of the ball game. Ali taking the shot. Yes, sir. So it was 3 points, no? Kay Ali. Ausa with the ball right now. Ball will go to Icas. Kibilan with the ball right now. Kibilan to Cañedo. Cañedo may tala ng bola. Cañedo pa rin. Taking the shot. Wala po. Sumobra po ang tiro nun. Enriquez to Ausa. Ausa, let's see kung anong gagawin. Pinasa po to Fernandez. A simple pass no coming from Ausa. Kibilan may tala ng bola. Kibilan pass to Ali. Ali right now with the ball. So there was a foul, no?
Foul on jersey number 11. Fourth foul, warning.
So pang-apat na po yan ni Enriquez. The next foul that we are going to commit ay wala na po. Madi-disqualify na po yan. So ingatan po nila ang kanilang foul. Kibilan ito Cañedo. Cañedo for 3. Wala po. Agawan po ng bola. So ball will go to AN Corner Sports. Running score 52-43. Lamang pa rin po ang AN Corner Sports.
Warning on jersey number 12 for delaying the game.
So warning now for the ICAS for delaying the game. De Los Reyes almost still there for Kibilan. De Los Reyes looking for a pass to Lim right now with the ball. Ausa, masikip po ang depensa doon. Almost still.
3 seconds.
So there was a 3 seconds violation. Kibilan may tala ng bola. Kibilan pass to Asgali. I'm sorry, to Cañedo. Cañedo, naku po, naagaw tuloy. Number 27, De Los Reyes, may foul po doon.
Foul on jersey number 9.
Kaso. Naku po, it was a turnover po on the part of the AM Corner Sports. Bola po ngayon ng ICAS. Kibilan right now with the ball. Kibilan to Gampal taking the shot. Yes sir! Basket for 2 for Gampal. Ausa. It was still Asgali. May foul po doon.
Foul on jersey number 15.
Shoutout po kay Ram Francisco Ilham, ang ating kaibigan. Manager po yan ng IFM. Si Coach Ram Francisco Ilham is watching right now. Live dito lang po yan sa BFP FB page natin. Gampal to Kibilan. Wala po. Agawan po ng bola. Ball stays with the ICAS. Baseline inbound for Kibilan. To Ascali. Ascali for 3. Wala po. Ausa was there for the ball. Ausa, sabi niya, wait lang. Almost still there. Lim. A good deep on the part of the ICAS. Ball will go to ICAS team. Running score 52-45. Konti na lang. Kibilan with the ball right now. Kibilan to Gampal. Gampal pa rin po. Nahirapan po doon. Si Gampal naagaw tuloy. Ausa. To number 30 to 27, De Los Reyes. May foul po doon.
Foul on jersey number 29.
Running score 52-45. 45, 7 yan lang ha, 7 yan lang. Bumalik muli sa 8, 53, 45. Yes. It back to 9 points lead for the AM Corner Sports Gampang. To Solon. Solon, matagal-tagal ito hindi binalik ha. Cañedo, wala po. Ausa, may tala ng bola. Ausa pa rin po, Ausa. Is he going to take the shot? Yes sir, wala lang nang. Wala pa rin po, agawan po ng bola. Ball will go to Icas. Kibilan right now with the ball. Kibilan to Ali. Ali to Cañedo. Cañedo. Cañedo masikip.
Foul on jersey number 27. Second, personal foul.
Mahaba pa po yung oras natin. Time left 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Anybody's ball game. Siyam lang po yan ha. It's only 9 points ang hinahabol po ng Icas. Ausa. To Lim. Lim with the ball right now. Almost there. Delos Reyes. Wala po. Kibilan. Kibilan po may talang bola. Kibilan. May foul po doon on his way to the basket. It was fouled by Ausa. The smallest guy on the court right now. Pero magaling tong bata ha, itong si Ausa. Maliit lang yan. Cañedo for 3, yes sir! Basket for Cañedo. Hold on to your seats, baby. 54-48. Ito yung pinakamalapit-lapit, kumbaga, no?
Foul on jersey number 13.
With 6 points na lang ang deficit. So, 6 na puntos na lang, no? Ang hinahabol ng Icas. Sapanta to Tabo Verde. Tabo Verde looking for a pass. Tabo Verde to... Wala po. Nagmamadali po. That time si Fernandez. Kibilan. Kibilan right now with the ball. Kibilan looking for a pass to Cañedo. Cañedo taking again for 3. Wala po this time. May foul po.
Third personal foul on jersey number 9.
Ausa to Itable. Itable. May foul po doon. So after this ball game, no, right away we will be giving the awards, no, for the third placer who are gonna win later on sa 13 under po. Mamaya po yan ha, after this ball game. Suabing suabe ang unang free throw ni Tabo Verde. I'm sorry, si Itable. Yes sir. Ringless ha. Kibilan may tala ng bola to Cañedo. Cañedo for 3. Wala din. Tabo Verde to Tabo Verde for 3. Wala po. Pero bola pa rin po nila. Gampar right now with the ball. Gampar looking for a pass to Kibilan. Kibilan taking the shot. It was a block by Sapanta. Ali for 3. Wala po. Walang natamaan doon. Cañedo to Gampar. Gampar. Wala din po. Bola pa rin po ng ICAS. Solon, wala po. Maalat po this time. No, ang ICAS. No, got no conversion at all. Ausa. A pull-up jump. Wala po. Ali. Maalat po this time ang ball sa the part of the ICAS. Got no conversion since then. Charge timeout po tayo. Running score 56-48. Bumalik muli. 8 ang lamang ng AM Corner Sports. Ang coach po ng AM Corner Sports ay walang iba po. Coach po yan ng Pernday, ha. Nung nag-champion sa elementary ay walang iba po yan. Yan si Coach Claro Nuesca. He is a friend of mine also. No. Ang coach ng ICAS si Coach Jung Villena. So dalawang famous coach from Zamboanga City in the persons of Coach Villena and Coach Nuesca Claro. So match po ang depensa ngayon ng ICAS. Itable right now with the ball. Muntik na nakago po. Itable pa rin. Wala po. Nasa kanya rin ng bola. Pinasa to. Naku po, ito si Steele. Kibilan right now with the ball. Solong solo. Yes sir, basketball to. Pwede pa yan, ha. Mahaba pa po yung oras natin. Anybody's ball game right now. Let's see. Naku po, another steal. Kibilan ito Asgali. Sayang yun, ha, sayang. Kung hindi, 6 points na lang. Ausa with the ball right now, Ausa. To Sapanta. A short jump, wala po. Pero may foul, nandun si Fernandez, no? Taking the shot.
Foul on jersey number 9, warning.
Time left, 2 minutes and 43 seconds. This is the last and final quarter of the ball game. Running score po natin, 56-50. 6 lang po yan, ha. Makes that 7 points lead for AM Corner Sports. Ball will go to ICAS. Kibilan right now, magpala ng bola. Kibilan to Asgali. Asgali thinking for 3. Binalik muna kay Kibilan. To Cañedo for 3. Hindi po umabot. Jersey number 23. Wala po. Agawan po ng bola. It goes to Sapanta. Itable to Ausa. Ausa may tala ng bola. Ausa pinasa to kay Sapanta. Sapanta pull up jump. Wala po. Balaji. Almost traveling there. Kibilan. Ay pull up jump, wala din po. Wala din, nagawag po ng bola. Balaji.
Back to shoot.
Kick out pass to Kibilan. Maalat po for 3. Wala din po. Balaji. Wala pa rin. Agawan po ng bola. Ang bola po ay napunta sa AM Corner Sports. Maalat po ang bola ngayon, no? On the part of the ICAS. Another basket for AM Corner Sports. It back again to 9 points. Ang lamang ng ICAS. Cañedo right now to Kibilan. To Cañedo, thinking for 3, tinira po. Wala. Sa Panta. To Fernandez, pero may foul po doon. So tumawag muli ng charge timeout si Coach Jung Villena. Mahaba pa po yung oras natin, no? 1 minute and 10 seconds. No, marami po yung maaaring May iba po yung tema ng laro. It's only 9 points deficit. Once again, no, after this ball game, we'll be giving awards. We're gonna be the third placer, no, for the 13th under. Unang pitro ni Fernandez ay pasok. Yes. Make that 10 points lead on the part of the AM Corner Sports. Kibilan with the ball right now. Kibilan looking for a pass.
1 minute.
Kibilan to Asgali, almost steal. It was completed, it was stalled. My foul for them. Lim po is unang pitro. Yes sir, pasok. Gampal to Kibilan, Kibilan to Cañedo for 3. Yes sir. Lim. 3 seconds po tayo doon.
3 seconds. Violation. 30 seconds.
8 puntos ha. Pwede pa yan. Kibilan to Ali. Ali again to Cañedo. Cañedo. Wala po. This time overshoot.
20.
Pero naagaw po ni Asgali. Kibilan to Cañedo again for 3. Wala din po.
12 seconds.
So actually, we have a ball game. Inaantay na lang natin po ang final score natin with the time trimmed down to 12-20 seconds na lang po. Running score is 61-53. Lamang po ang AM Corner Sports. So thank you so much no once again no for the trophy no for sponsoring no for the third place as well as the championship later on no galing po yan ha, kay Madam Era. Thank you so much Madam. The Era Rasul Basketball League is upcoming on September. Watch out for the opening. Maraming salamat po Madam Era Rasul for sponsoring the trophies.
5.
Sa panta, yes sir.
For 2.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It was the AM Corner Sports who won the third placer for the 13th under. So as we have said, no, we'll be giving the awards after this ball game. Nandiyan na po si coach natin, the founder of the VFP, to give the awards together with the commissioner, DJ Tom Silani. Thank you so much kay Rep Passion, si Coach Passion po ha, our special referee for this morning.